Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set default notes about estimate, purchase order and credit memo on the Invoice Maker and Estimate application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen and then tap on Settings, click on the button Other in the middle of the screen and then tap on the Default Notes section, tap on Invoice and then type in the default note about the invoice. You can do the same with the estimate, purchase order and the credit memo section as well. So as you can see, each of these have been completed. If you want to, you can edit them anytime you want to. Just simply tap on the relevant one, type in the text and click on the Done button at the top and everything will be saved automatically. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.